This is the S1 model programmable school bell timer. This device is used with electric bell. Connect the bell to the socket device's output. When the time comes, it rings. You can arrange the ringing duration. There is no audio output to be connected to this device.